While the ASPT 2.3 objective may seem scary and look like a lot of information, we're not expecting you to understand and really know that much for this. A lot of basic stuff. So the first bullet, you can see, understand that all atoms of the same element have the same atomic number and similar properties, both chemical and physical. So knowing that all elements of sodium have similar chemical and physical properties is important. Same thing with magnesium and how those compare. So being able to identify which subatomic particle most greatly impacts the properties is important as well. So bullets 1 and 2 are kind of interchangeable of why do they have similar properties, and being able to identify that subatomic particle, and then also being able to understand that all elements have their own unique spectra, and be able to explain the process used to obtain the spectra. And in class, we're going to use the flame test, but there also are different ways that you will actually see in different chemistry classes in high school and AP Chem if that's what you take. Suggested activities would be creating a spectra, which is an intro of what a spectra is and how do we obtain it through a flame test, giving the background about all the electrons. The flame test activity, where you're delving deeper into 6 specific elements that we're going to test and looking at chemical properties, physical properties, and truly seeing that every element is different. And then last but not least, the flame test demo. This is a group lesson that we will do together. I will be demonstrating and igniting 6 different elements, the same elements that you'll see in the flame test activity, and you guys will be able to see, apologize for the bell, that yes, all of these elements are completely different, including their spectras and their flame test results. So big idea questions that you will want to understand: what generalizations can be made about all of the different elements on the periodic table and their properties? What is a subatomic particle that is most influential to the atom and its properties? And do you understand the process of the flame test and how the electrons are affected? That last bullet, I'm not asking you on your assessment or when you demonstrate mastery to give me a step-by-step, but being able to generalize the process and how the electrons are affected is going to be fair game for that. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, kind of starting off with the background information and working your way forward is going to be the best for conquering and mastering this objective. All right, good luck.